guys, on today's video, we're going to be detailing the interior of a Tesla Model S. I believe it's a 2021. It was fairly new when I recorded the video, maybe only like a year or two old. Didn't have too much wear and tear on it yet. Something I found interesting about the Teslas I just wanted to share with you guys, because I've only gotten to do 3 of these so far, I think. Honestly, there's not really that much difference between the interior and exterior of an electric car and a gasoline car. Really, the only difference is they have something called a frunk. It's a front trunk. So instead of where your engine bay would be, you have storage in there, which I think is really cool. And then for the roof on the Teslas, you don't have a headliner up above you. It's more of like a glass roof almost. You can't see from the outside in, but you can see from the inside out. I don't know if you can adjust the transparency or anything like that of the roofs on these cars. But then another thing is Teslas don't have turn signals, like a switch. They don't have a gear shifter, neither a column shifter or a normal one that would be like on the side. Everything is controlled through it's not an iPad, but it might as well be an iPad in the middle of the car. That's how you put it into gear. That's how you adjust your air conditioning. That's how you adjust your audio, different things like that. And then for the turn signals, there's a button on the side. Same thing with the horn. It doesn't have a horn you press. It's got a button you press for the horn. So just a couple of things I want to share with you guys, because I'm sure most people haven't been in an electric car because they're not all that common. Probably unless you live in like a highly populated city or something like that where there's a lot of them. But out more where I'm at, it's kind of more of a rural area. We don't get a ton of electric cars. Most of the electric ones are Teslas, or you'll see like a Ford Mustang. I forget what they're called, but it's not like the V8 Mustang. It's the more SUV looking Mustang that's electric. But anyways, I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please click the like button and subscribe as well. It helps out a lot. And down below, there's Amazon affiliate links. It's all the tools and products that I use. I know you guys have a lot of questions of what chemicals I use, what tools I use. You can find everything in the links down below. If you don't find it in the links down below, just leave a comment and I'll try to include it in future videos. And I'll try to reply to your comment and give you a link for that to buy. If you do buy from those, it helps out a lot. You know, I get a small commission off of it, different things like that. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision.